What's up everybody, Ryan with Boncheller Family Experience here, and we are in Monterey, Santa Cruz KOA again, same place we went last year. So I did a full review on this campsite, just kind of checking it all out, or this campground. So I'll leave a link to that down below, but we'll just kind of show you some of the fun we had. We're in a little bit different spot this year. It's kind of a quiet area too. We're over in like number 37, I think, 36, somewhere around there, 33. We're on that row. We've got cabins across from us, and then we're right up against kind of a little forest area. So it's pretty quiet on this side just because it's away from all the kid zones and the, you know, the inflatable blob thing over there and all that. So pretty quiet, but our group was over there, so we spent a lot of time over on that side. But had a great time. It was a good weekend, and we're packing up and getting ready to get out of here.